Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new NARS Mini Undress Code Afterglow Lip Balm Set. I'm gonna get right into it. This is the full-size lip balm in the shade Orgasm. And then you get 3 travel size lip balms. I'm gonna start off with the Orgasm. As you see, all of these lip balms apply really nice. They're not too color pigmented, so if you're someone who don't like much color in your lip balm, and if you don't like much gloss in your lip balms, this is an absolutely amazing purchase. It's nothing bad I can say about it. As you see, they're all applied seamless to the lip. It's not sticky at all, and I purchased this from Sephora. I will leave the details in the description box, and if there's anything at all that you would like to know about these products that I didn't mention, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.